So here's how to zip a file on an Android phone. Starting off, we'll go to the Z-Archiver application on the phone. If you don't have it, you can download it. From here, open your Downloads folder. Then, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Multi-Select. Now, select the files you want to zip and then tap on the tick icon below. Here, tap on Compress. Enter a new name for your archive. Then, change the archive format to zip. You can also change and manage other settings such as the compression level, encryption, and more. After you're done, tap on OK at the bottom. The archive has been successfully created. Now scroll down to view the zip file. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily zip a file on an Android phone.